All right, now these have finished curing in the bowls enough that I was able to wet my fingers with the spray and just work the edges around the bowls. So now we have our shapes, and these two will be stackable like this. And you don't have to worry about the gap in between there, because we're going to take more Loctite and go from the bottom up along the sides to the top. And we're going to go all the way around the pumpkin that way. And since this is a expanding foam, it'll fill in all these gaps, and that's going to be what literally holds this whole thing together, because the foam will stick to everything. And then if we put enough of it on the top here, we can even wait. Once it gets to skin, we can make the stem up here in the top. And after that, it's going to be all about the paint job.